In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Big Cartel so you can link your storefronts and manage your print-on-demand products through Printify. To get started, log into your Printify account and open your dashboard. From here, look for the My New Store drop-down menu near the top of the page. This menu is where you can switch between existing stores or add another sales channel to your Printify account. Open the drop-down, then click Add a New Store. Printify will now show you the available store platforms you can connect. Find and select Big Cartel. This tells Printify which e-commerce platform you want to integrate with, so it can sync products and orders with the correct store. Quick side note, for more practical Printify and e-commerce tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. After selecting Big Cartel, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to provide the details for your Big Cartel account. Enter the requested account information and follow the connection prompts to authorize Printify to access your store. Once the authorization is complete, your Big Cartel store will be connected to Printify, ready for you to publish products and handle fulfillment.